Hey guys, it's Quentin. The fidget spinners I'm pressing the clean button are riding in the robot vacuum. Are taking a ride. Let's push the clean button. It's an iRobot Roomba, as you can see, which it is a robotic vacuum. You see the fidget spinners are taking a ride. Careful with that. Oh, some of the fidget spinners keeps falling off. Yeah, some of my fidget spinners are going on a ride on my fidget spinner ride. My fidget spinners are taking a ride. It's a good thing. Orange. Some of my fidget spinners. Save me! Save me! Help! Save me! Orange said. Save me! White fidget ninja said. Save me! Black Batman said. My cat likes that. My cat's name is Zoe. The fidget spinners are taking a ride in the iRobot Roomba. But it's a vacuum, as you can see. When you, this is a thing that spins just like a fidget spinner. Yeah, I don't know why the fidget spinners are riding in the vacuum. There's Callie. Ta-da! Peekaboo, Callie. There's a... My fidget spinners are taking a ride. Are riding along with the... Watch your feet. USA flag Batman. Let's hold this. Careful! My fidget spinners. Orange, save me! Orange fidget spinner said. Say do 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 do. Doesn't say do 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 do. And there's just hold on, guys. I don't know why. I like the way how the fidget spinners take a ride in the iRobot Roomba vacuum.
Error 1. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press Queen to restart.
You have Mama's phone.
Let's go back to the duck. There we go. I did. You guys may not notice that my fidget spinners are taking a ride in the robot vacuum. Okay, YouTuber. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. That my fidget spinners are taking a ride in the iRobot Roomba. Alrighty. Thanks for watching the video. Check back soon and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. Take care, everyone. Bye. About the fidget spinners on the iRobot Roomba. Thanks. Take care. Bye.